just how savage is a backbox delete going to be on a Focus RS? Let's find out.
It absolutely rips. Oh. Handmade, right here in the UK, in my shop.
Welcome to NAWFABZ. See, Focus RS. Now, I've done a Focus RS before. I think, do you know what? This is going to sound so strange, but I think I've only ever done one of these ever. And I did a valved exhaust on it. Now, today this is booked in for a backbox delete. I don't know what this is going to sound like. If I'm going to be honest, I think it's going to be really, really loud, to the point where I'm going to actually give the customer a ring and I'm just going to double make sure that is what he's after, because these do not have a resonator. It's got a valved exhaust from factory. I think when this customer inquired, he kind of asked us what his options were. Well, your options with one of these are really either do a valve setup, which is what I've done before, sounded great, or something like a backbox delete, but backbox delete is going to be really, really loud on this. If we just put a silencer in there, I fear it'd be worse than stock because it's already a valved exhaust from factory. So yeah, bit of a weird one this, bit of a tricky one. I don't know how this is going to go. We're going to have a listen, and then I'm going to get customer a ring. We're going to double make sure that he actually wants a backbox delete on this. Don't know how this is going to go. Don't know whether he's going to want it done or not. We will see. So here's what it sounds like original. It's been sat running, so she's warm. So that's normal mode. Sport mode. I think backbox delete's going to be too much, isn't it?
I don't understand why he wants to do with this.
Don't know, folks. This is the problems we face here. I don't actually know what to recommend this guy. I have done a valve one before. Maybe I'll insert a clip of the valve one that I did before. It's on my Instagram. Maybe I'll insert a clip here. And yeah, that's one that I've done before. Don't know. Let's have a chat with him. Give me a ring, have a chat with him. I think backbox delete is going to be really asbo, really savagely loud. Let's see what he wants to do. Hey mate, I just wanted to give you a quick ring about your car just to make sure we're on the same path of what we're doing with this car. So it's booked in for a backbox delete. You know a backbox delete's going to be fairly loud on this car, don't you?
Yeah.
Is that what you're after?
Yeah, I did want it loud, but then I'm thinking about as long as it's legal and all that.
Well, it definitely won't be legal for road use, I'll tell you that straight off bat.
Yeah, what we're thinking then.
Well, it's a valved exhaust from factory, so it's going to be difficult to beat it without doing a valved exhaust again. I've done one of these before and we did a valved exhaust on it. That kind of gives you the best of both worlds. It makes it more savage than original valved exhaust, and you can also tone it down to keep it legal. But a backbox delete is going to be the exact opposite of that. Backbox delete is going to be savage loud. Yeah, I'm definitely not going to tell you it's road legal because it won't be.
Yeah, well, what can we do today then?
There's not really a great deal else I can do, to be honest. There's no res in it. There's not a resonator to take out. It's just a straight pipe up to this back box. Without doing a valved exhaust, there's nothing else that I can do really other than backbox delete. It's valved or backbox delete. They're your only options really.
How much is extra is a valve?
I'll be honest, mate. Valve's a 2-day job. It's only booked in for today. I wouldn't even be able to get a valved exhaust done today.
Alright.
So yeah, we're a bit up shit creek without a paddle here. If you're not wanting it to be loud, then I don't think backbox delete's going to be the option for you. Backbox delete's going to be if you wanted it savage. The only thing I would say is if we did do backbox delete and it were savage, there is space at mid pipe where you could add a resonator into it. No worries, do you want to go for that then? So what do you want us to do? Do you want us to do the backbox delete? Did you want to hear it first before we put a res in it, or how do you want to play it?
It's up to you, mate, because I finish at 3 o'clock and I was just going to head straight down there.
Right. Are you on Instagram or out?
Yeah, I am, yeah.
If you ping up on my Instagram, I think best thing to do is let me do the backbox delete. I've never done a backbox delete on one, but I've done a valve setup on one, which is essentially a backbox delete, but then you can turn it off with valve, and I can remember that was pretty savagely loud. I don't remember how loud it were when you were driving it. I think, let me do the backbox delete, let me go and drive it, let me see what I think. If it is going to be asbo loud for you, then obviously I can send you some videos, and if you want to go ahead for us to put resin in it, we can put resin in it after.
Yeah, brilliant, yeah, so, do that then.
That's it then, that's the plan, we'll do that.
Alright.
Alright mate, no worries, see you later, bye.
See you, bye.
Right, there you go, you heard it yourself, even the customer himself wasn't too sure what to do. Like I said, you probably heard there on call, there's not an easy option for me. We're going to do backbox delete, we're going to see what it sounds like. If it is too asbo, there is space in mid-pipe, we can add a resin in it, that'll tone it down a little bit. It's not going to tone it down a lot, but it will tone it down a little bit. But one key point in that phone call there, and he said, oh yeah, as long as it's road legal, be aware making any car noisier is not road legal, as will be explained in another video. You'll see all about that. Right, let's get on with it. Right, silencer chopped off. Who's ready for a laugh? Let's have a listen, see what it sounds like with no box on. Right. It's actually, I expect it to be louder, but press the drive mode button, put it in sport. Yeah. Right, just get a few little blips. Bear in mind though, that's only one pipe. It'll echo when you dual it up, put it out of two. It doesn't sound as bad as I thought. Now, go on, get another go. Oh, that is loud though. That is loud though. That. No doubt that is absolutely killing microphones. That probably sounds crackly as hell. Connor's got a touch on. Carl and Connor have both got a touch on. It does sound good, but I just don't know if it's what this kid wants. I think let's do what we said. Let's do the backbox delete. Let's take it out on road. If it's too much, maybe add a res in it. See what happens. We can't do any more on that, can we? Wrong engine, mate. Wrong engine. You know, if you heard what Connor just said, he said if that were mine, I'd be hard all the way home. Right, so there's no question about it. It does sound good, but it is loud. That is also a concern. So, as I said, we're going to let customer decide whether he wants a res in it or not. Probably going to sound wicked when you're out in it, but.
Oh, 2-bar boost, that's maximum.
What happened here is my AC on.
Christ. That might be them mics.
Yeah. Jesus Christ. Chill out a little bit, just give it a little bit of blow. I think it's going to be too loud for him.
I don't know.
Yeah.
I don't know though.
It's going to be too loud for him.
It won't be too loud for me. Does sound alright this. Oh, that drone does.
Yeah, it's loud. Savage, isn't it?
Yeah.
I think it's going to be too much. Drones quite a lot, that does, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, it seems very boomy, very loud. I think that might be a bit too much. This is where a valve would have been ideal. Obviously, this customer, he didn't want to spend the money on a valve, which is fair enough. Not everyone does, but that's where a valve would have come in now, because that sounds mint when you're in mood for it, but when you want to turn it off, you could have just flicked valve shut. To be honest, it sounded great stock. I'd have just left it alone.
Yeah, I would have.
I'd have just kept my money and left it alone.
I would have.
Sounded good as it were. Sounds good, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does sound good. I don't know, mate. I don't think he's going to want the res in this once he hears that. It's not even droney, is it?
It's not droney, is it really? It's not. It is when you're on gas like that, but just cruising. On overrun it is. Put your foot on throttle and it goes away, you know, if you're just cruising.
Yeah.
It is a bit droney. It's not horrendous, but there is a little bit of drone there. So, just bear that in mind. I don't know. This is why I think we need to let him be the judge, don't we?
I do.
I don't want to put a res in it and he wanted it louder. In this case, I think we have to just let him be the judge. It is droney when you put your foot down. We've got an announcement to make in this video. Do you want to tell him, Connor? What today is?
Oh yeah, last day.
Today is Connor's last day at NAWFABZ, so this will be the last video he features in for the foreseeable. So yeah, we will. I will still be doing YouTube videos. Connor's going off to do something else. Whether or not we'll see him again in future, I don't know. He might bounce back in future, we'll see. But in the meantime, we're probably going to be looking for somebody else to join the gang. So keep an eye out for that. But Connor's had 5 good years here. We've made some good videos, so I hope you've enjoyed them all. We will be saying farewell to him today after we've put a res in this RS.
Yeah. This drone is bad though, because I can barely hear you speaking then.
Yeah, it is pretty bad. When you're going up an hill like that, it's pretty bad. Yeah. It's not bad when you're not on gas.
It sounds like a radio. It sounds like helicopter.
Yeah, it is quite droney that. It would get on my nerves, to be honest. So, we'll go back. Hopefully customer's here by then. We'll give him the choice. I'll tell him it drones.
Yeah.
Probably put a res in it. See what he says when we get back.
The second you put 4 on rev, he's not going to be bothered.
Right, well, we got back to base. He was stood there waiting. Plain and simply, we gave it a rev, we let him have a listen, and he went, "Can that res be put in at a later date?" We were like, yeah, of course it can. He reckons, I think I want to take it and see what it sounds like, because that sounds absolutely savage. So he's happy with it for a minute. We'll let him take it now, see what he thinks. But he may well be back for a res at a later date. I guess we'll see. He's either back in a week or he's going to love it. Yeah, go for it, Dougie. Go.